What can I say? I have one product in my hair right now. The Love Your Curls system is a 3-step system. So it's a sulfate-free shampoo, a silicone-free conditioner, and then an all-in-one customized for 3 different hair types. The first time I tried our curly all-in-one, I was like, whoa. And I thought, we've got liquid gold. And I went to sleep on it. This was the true shocker. I slept on my hair and I woke up and next day my hair looked pretty much like this. And growing up as a curly girl and learning to pile product on top of product on my hair, it's just, you become used to that. You become used to the curly cocktail. Prior to LUS, my hair was really dry, damaged. I used to have blonde, like bleach blonde hair for 5 years of my life, and I straightened. I flat ironed my hair, so my hair was dead. And slowly it started to just regain life and vitality. Sometimes when I don't even put styling product in it, it still looks good. Now I can wash and style my hair and I can get 4 or 5 days wear out of it easy. Instead of telling the community you need 100 products just to tame your mane or control your frizz, we're trying to teach you to learn to love your curls and embrace it, to learn to love your imperfect curls and just learn to love yourself.